Right. Hi everybody, I'm Amy from the Cauldron. Now you might be wondering what on earth this is. Well, this is another dyeing experiment that I'm in the process of doing. It's some cotton floss that I have hand painted, and I'll put a link to the video in the description for this video and in the iCard, so you can go and have a look, see what I'm doing. But if you've seen many of my videos before, you'll know that I hate to throw away any good dye. So this is the dye that I've got left over from this project. So I don't want to waste it. I've got some Coton Aida here that I've been soaking in soda ash. I'm going to chuck it into my pot. Now this is all dedicated for dye. I never use it for any sort of food preparation. And I'm just going to pour in the leftover dye. So that one was a tiny bit of Wedgewood Blue. This here is Lavender. Let's move it over here. I'll be able to see a bit. Just decided to change camera positions so you can actually see what's going on. I'm holding this, so it might be quite wobbly. So I've just put lavender in, and this I've got here is sweet pea. I'm just going to plop it in, and a little bit of turquoise. I've got here a little jug of what I've been soaking my paintbrushes in, cleaning that off in. So I'm just going to give that a little poke down. There we go. And I'm just going to leave this, put a lid on this, and I'm going to leave it for a minimum of 6 hours, but possibly longer, and see what we've got after that. In about 2 days. So we're going to take this Coton Aida out. Still some colour left in there. Then I'm just going to give this a rinse. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. Stunning. I'm going to add a little bit of washing up liquid just to rinse out anything that might not be found onto there, and then I can hang it up to dry. This is a beautiful pale blue. I'm really happy with this. And here is our finished Aida. It's almost completely solid. There are a few sort of mottled areas sort of up here. It's a bit paler, and we've got some darker lines, but generally it's a pretty solid colour, which I'm really happy with. I will be over dyeing this again. I've got another idea for a project I want to try with this, so I'm quite glad that it's quite a solid colour. So thank you very much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I aim to produce a new dyeing tutorial every Monday. Thank you so much for watching.